Hi, I'm Sim, this is Chris, and we are going to correctly demonstrate how to do a clean and jerk. A clean and jerk is good for the muscles all over your body. It's good for strength, speed, and power. It's actually 2 lifts in one. The clean, getting the bar from the floor to the front rack position, and the jerk from your shoulders to above your head. We're going to split it into 3 steps first of all. Bring the bar as close to your shins as possible. Feet firmly planted into the ground. Drive through into a standing position. From this point, clean it up onto the front of your chest. Elbows underneath you, power through your hips. Slight bend at the knee, power above your head with a split stance. Back heel is lifted, front foot is planted. Now step forward with your back leg. Slowly reverse those steps, back to chest, hips, and finally the ground. As mentioned in the beginning, this is 2 lifts in one. So if at any stage you feel like you haven't got it right, put the bar back on the floor and start again. To put those steps together, this is what a correct clean and jerk should look like. Starting from a deadlift position, hands shoulder width apart, up into a deadlift, cleaning it up, powering through the hips, elbows underneath to the front of the chest, powering it overhead. As you can see where Chris's feet are, making sure that he is stable, strong through his core, good mobility through his shoulders to make sure that he's got full control of the weight. And safely back down to the ground, we slowly reverse those steps. We hope you found that useful. Remember to like and subscribe below. And for more tips like this, check out the rest of the videos on the Myprotein YouTube channel.